Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we will study discrete time shift in MATLAB. So as you can have a look, we have the original signal, then we have the time delayed signal which is shifted by 3 units, which is delayed by 3 units. We have x of n of minus 3. So it has been shifted towards right side, and whenever a signal is shifted towards the right side of the graph, it is delayed. And then we have the time advance signal xn plus 3. This is shifted towards the left side of the graph. So whenever a signal is shifted towards the left side of the graph, we say that that signal has been advanced. So we have the original signal, we have at time 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Correspondingly we have the amplitude of values x, which is 0 1 2 3 2 1 0. So at t is equal to 1 we have 0, at t is equal to 2 we have 1, at t is equal to 3 we have 2, and so on. When I plot the time delayed signal, I delayed the signal by 3 units. Whatever here the value at t is equal to 1 was, that value has been shifted to t is equal to 4. Whatever value at t is equal to 2 was, that value was shifted at t is equal to 5. And then t is equal to 3 value has been shifted to 3 is equal to 6, delayed by 3 units. So each of these values has been delayed by 3 units. We said the whole this signal has been delayed by 3 units because it is shifted towards the right. Now in the time advance signal, as we can have a look, whatever the value of whatever the value we have at t is equal to 1, that value we have at t is equal to minus 2. Whatever the value we have at t is equal to 2, that value we have at t is equal to minus 1. At whatever the value we have at t is equal to 3, that value we have at t is equal to 0. So the signal has been shifted towards the left side of the graph. Right? Signal has been shifted towards the left side of the time axis. So that's why we say that is the time advance signal. So now we will open MATLAB and we will try and do this discrete time shift in MATLAB. So first I have to define t, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this I have defined t. Then I will define x, which is 0 1 2 3 2 1 0. Fine. Now I have defined t, I have defined x. What I will do is I will use the subplot command. To draw sub-regions in figure, we use the subplot command. I want to draw 3 sub-regions, one for the original signal, one for the delayed version, and one for the advanced version. So I will use 1 cross 3 rectangular matrix for this. And for the first plot I will give the position 1. Fine. When I give it a position 1, I will use the stem command. Remember, stem command is used to plot discrete time signals. Plot command was used to plot continuous time signals. Stem command is used to plot discrete time signals. So stem, x-axis is my t, y-axis is my x. Fine. Then I will give it a title just to make it easy. Title is original signal. So the original signal will be plotted here hopefully when I run this code. So you can have a look, the original signal has been plotted here. T is equal to 1, it has 0, t is equal to 2, 1, t is equal to 3, 2, and so on. So we have plotted the original signal. Now we will plot the delayed signal. To plot the delayed signal, I want to shift this time matrix by 3 units. I want to delay this time matrix by 3 units. So a is equal to t plus 3. So what I did here is delay the signal by 3 units. So I have delayed the signal by 3 units. Fine. A is equal to t plus 3 is shifting towards the right. Shifting a signal towards right means delaying a signal. So I have delayed the signal by t. Now I will again use the subplot 1 cross 3 subplot. I will give it the second position, and I will write stem. Now the x-axis of mine will be a. Fine, because I have shift this time axis by 3 units. So the x-axis is now a, and the y-axis amplitude is x. So this is the amplitude which is constant, only the time has been shifted by 3 units. So I will write stem x, and then I will give it a title delayed signal. So after doing this, I will run this. So hopefully we will have now the original signal and the delayed signal. Fine, here we go. This has been shifted by 3 units. So whatever the value of 1 here was here is 5. Whatever the value of 2 here was has been shifted to 5, and so on. So this has been shifted. Whatever the value of 7 which was 0 here has been shifted to 10. Fine. Next we will do is the advancement of signal. So I will write B. So I will write T minus 3, and this will be my, so I have advanced the signal by 3 units. Fine. And then I will go on and subplot at the third position. Fine. Stem. Now we have x-axis B and y-axis x, which is the amplitude. So I will give it a title, advanced signal. So I will run this. Hopefully now we have, so we have the original signal, we have the delayed signal which is shifted by 3 units, and then we have the advanced signal which has been shifted towards the left by 3 units. Fine. Thank you.